Let's leave the camera right there. China, don't touch the camera. Good morning from 105. It's another beautiful day out here. We're fixing to eat this wonderful feast. This little girl's feeling a whole lot better today. I don't know what was wrong with her, but she seems to be doing a whole lot better today. Are you doing better?
Yay!
Yeah. Then there's this guy. I don't even know what to say about him. Hey, buddy. They're fixing to come down here and we're going to eat some breakfast and then decide what we're going to do from here. Oh, it's going to be a good meal ahead of us. Was that a good campsite, Joanna? That was pretty good, wasn't it?
Bye, campsite.
All right, well, we're back on 105. I just rolled out a second ago. Had that delicious breakfast. Packed everything up. Cleaned everything up. Loaded everybody. It's a pretty big production to do all that. The rooftop tent's a little rattly with the quick disconnects. That's probably what you're hearing. But we're continuing south down 105. We're passing the Wiseman's View right now. Do you want to stop there?
It's up to you. It's fine.
We've seen it before. We're going to keep going down to the bottom and cut around by Lake James State Park and then go up the road on the other side. Can't remember the name of it. But we're going to try and get up there to the Table Rock Trail. We never have walked it before, and we're going to try and do that today. We'll either do that one or maybe Wiseman's View. As long as everybody's up for it. Joanna seems to be doing a lot better. I don't know if she's 100% or not, but she's pretty good all in all.
She's still a little warm, but she's acting completely normal.
Yeah. So she's having a good time. Everybody just slept amazing in the tent like I figured we would. It was a perfect night. Really, really nice. We slept really late. Everybody got a lot of rest. So it was a really, really good campsite experience back there. So there is Lake James. We're starting to get down near the end of NC 105. That's a very pretty lake, and there is a state park down there. I'm not sure if there's camping there or not. Road. But if you do any boating, this looks like a pretty sweet lake to visit. So if you come north up NC 105, this is going to be the first lookout you come to, and honestly it's one of the best to be able to see up the gorge. You're kind of looking northeast right now, and this right here is Table Rock, and I believe that one right there is Hawksbill. It's either that one or that other point there. Those are kind of the two major mountains on the east side of the gorge. But that's what we're hoping to drive over to and hike here in just a little bit. I'm not sure where this road goes. It's gated off, but we're going to keep making our way over there.
Wouldn't be an adventure without getting lost a couple of times. No. But I think we finally found it. What just happened?
wasn't supposed to, and Joanna scolded him for it, took it back, and now he's not happy.
Okay. We're on Back Creek Road. We should be on this road for roughly about 10 miles, and that should take us there. But it's gonna take us supposedly 43 minutes to get 8.8 miles. So I think it's supposed to get kind of squirrely a little bit, which we don't have a problem with, do we?
No, not at all. But this road does hit Fish Hatchery Road, and we've been this way before, just in the other direction. And we passed right by it. We couldn't find it. We thought it was a different road that said it was private property and no outlet and everything. So this little road, was it Fire Service 710? Is that it? Or 718? 118. Very hard to find. It's not well marked from Fish Hatchery Road, so it's easy to pass by.
But if you download the All Trails map, that's what got us here. Is downloading that. Or we already have it, but looking at that map is what got us here. So it was accurate.
Yeah. I was going to use Gaia, but I didn't have enough service to pull Gaia up. And I didn't have time to download it ahead of time.
Yep. So. Get your maps up while you have service, because it's spotty down through here.
Yep.
Trav, what are you doing, man?
All right.
What are you doing other than getting dirty? Yeah, oh, that's cool. And drooling. Yeah? Ooh, that's a good stick. Hey guys.
Happy birthday, Mommy.
Aw, thanks.
You're welcome.
My birthday's not today, but thanks for telling me anyway. We're just stopping to take a quick break. Everybody was getting a little bit antsy in the car, and so we just stopped on the side of the road because we found a road closed sign. So
We don't know where we are. We know where we want to go. We don't know how to get there. It's thundering. Probably going to storm soon. So we're just having some fun right here, and that's probably going to be about the end of it.
Yep.
Other than driving home.
Yep.
I wish we could get to Table Rock, but it doesn't seem like it's in the cards this time. Oh well.
Pop.
Still having fun.
All right, Joanna wanted to be like her mama and walk across a log. Whoa, heel to toe. Woo,
Yeah.
nice.
High five. High five.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
Whoa! You like that, don't you, dude? All right. Peanut's turn.
Okay.
Hi, baby. Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
Whoa! Boom.
Ah.
Okay.
I'm good this time. Say bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.
Say see you next time.
See you next time.
Thank you. Hold on to him, honey.
Okay.
Okay. Say,
Oh.
oh,
Oh no.
yeah.